Burial, burial, burial is my school. Best education reservoir for young learners just like me. Burial, burial.
Good day, my lovely pupils of grade 3 and my esteemed viewers. It's nice having you in another lesson on mathematics. Alright, today we'll be looking at a new topic, weight. What is weight? You know, this topic or the word weight is a very familiar word. You've been hearing of weight, weights of objects, weights of people, and so forth, and so on. Today we are going to look or take in detail the topic weight. We are going to be dealing on the our calculation majorly will be on weight. First of all, we are going to look at the meaning of weight. What is weight? The weight of an object tells us how heavy or light that object is. The weight of an object tells us how heavy or how light that object is. Alright, objects with more weight are heavy objects, while those with less weight are light objects. Alright, so far we are going to write what we have discussed so far. That is the meaning of weight. Alright, we say that the weight of an object signifies how heavy or light the object is. Like I said, say that the weight of an object tells you how heavy or light an object is. Also, I want to let you know that there are instruments we can use for measuring or checking the weight of objects, which includes a weighing scale and a simple balance. But we are not going deep into that because of the lesson. We are looking at mathematics and not basic science. So now, next we are going to look at the standard units of weight. The standard unit of weight is what? Kilograms. Alright, so the standard unit of weight is kilogram, kg, and grams, g. Alright, for your level, we are going to limit ourselves to just kg and gram. The other unit of gram. So we are going to make use of this in our calculation. The kilograms and the grams. Also note that 1 kilogram is equals to 1,000 grams. I believe before now you know this. 1,000 grams is equals to 1 kilogram is equals to 1,000 grams. 1 kilogram is equals to 1,000 grams. Please take note of this because we'll be using it in our calculation. And I want you to know that if 1 kilogram is equals to 1,000 grams, 1,000 grams can also be equals to 1 kilogram. That's why we have here, or 1,000 grams is equals to 1 kilograms. Alright. Also, if 1,000 grams is equals to 1 kilogram, 2,000 grams will be equals to 2 kilograms, and 3,000 grams will be equals to what? 3 kilograms. Alright. So also, a half kilogram will be equals to half of 1,000. Half of 1,000, that is 1,000 divided by 2. That is a half kilogram is going to be equals to a half of 1,000 grams. Alright? A half kilogram is equals to a half of 1,000 grams. That's why we have here half times 1,000 grams. So this means 1,000 grams divided by 2. So when you divide 1,000 by 2, this is done. 2 goes into 10, 5 times into 0, 0 times into 0, 0 times, and into itself once. So we have here 1,000 grams giving us 500 what? A half of 1,000 grams giving us what? 500 grams. That is half of a kilogram. Is what? 500 grams. And then quarter of a kilogram. Quarter That is 1/4 of kilograms. Of a kilogram, I mean, is equals to what? Quarter of 1/4 times 1,000. That is quarter of 1,000 grams. Quarter of kilogram is equals to quarter of 1,000 grams. Quarter of kilogram is equals to quarter of 1,000 grams. So quarter of kilogram is equals to what? This means 1,000 grams divided by 4. Alright? So now we have here 1,000 divided by 4. So 4 goes into 1, it's not possible. Then we have here 4 goes into 10. We work with the 2 first digits there. We have 4 goes into 10, or 10 divided by 4, which will be 2. That means 4 goes into 10 2 times, like saying 4 plus 4, which is what? 8. So 4 goes into 10 2 times, remainder 2. Because 4 plus 4 is what? 8. So remainder 2. 2 is left to make up 10. So we have here 4 into 10, 2 remainder 2. So the remaining 2 you add it, or you attach it to the next 0. So what do we have now? 2 and 0 is what? 20. So 4 goes into 20 how many times? 5 times. And then 4 goes into 0 how many times? 0 times. So now we are having here quarter of kilogram is what? Quarter of kilogram is equals to 250 grams. Please, you need to take note of this, as we need all of this in our calculation, because next we are proceeding to conversion of unit. Alright, next we are going to look at conversion of unit. We are going to be converting from kilograms to grams and vice versa. Under conversion of units of weight, we are going to start with a conversion. Conversion from kilograms, that is kg, to grams. Conversion from kilograms to grams. And please, I want you to know that for us to carry out this conversion effectively, you must recall what we have done so far on, especially on this note, that 1 kilogram is equals to 1 gram, 1,000 grams, or 1,000 grams is equals to 1 kilogram. Also that half of a kilogram gives you what? 500 grams. And also quarter of a kilogram gives you what? 250 grams. Alright? So now we are going to proceed with few examples. The example we have here is example 1. Convert 3 kilograms to grams. That is, convert 3 kg. Kg stands for kilogram. Please take note of that. And G stands for grams. So convert 3 kilograms to grams. Please, I want you to know that kilograms as a unit of weight is greater than grams. Alright, so when converting from kilograms to grams, what you are expected to do is to multiply by 1,000. Alright, because that's the relationship that exists between kilograms, kg, and grams. So whenever converting from a greater unit to a lesser unit, you multiply by what? 1,000. Alright, so now we are going to proceed. Also, you recall that 1,000 grams is equals to what? 1 kilograms. So we could say, if 1 kilogram is equals to 1,000 grams, therefore 3 kilograms will be equals to what? That is 3 times 1,000 grams. Alright? Or 1,000 grams times 3. Remember what I told you? That when converting from kg or kilograms to grams, what do? Multiply by 1,000, because that's the relationship between kilograms and grams. So when converting from a greater unit to a lesser unit, what do? You multiply by 1,000. So that is what we have done here. 3 times what? 1,000 grams. Alright, so we have here 1,000 times 3. So 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 0 is also 0. 3 times 0 is 0. And 3 times 1 is what? 3. So what do we have? 1,000, or 3 times 1,000 is what? 3,000. So we have here 3,000 grams as our answer. So therefore 3 kilograms equals to what? 3,000 grams. I could call this method 2 because I want to show you one other method you can use if you find this difficult. You can also use this other second method. That is method 2. That if 1 kilogram is equals to 1,000 grams, 3 kilograms, or therefore 3 kilograms would be equals to, like the second method I want to show you, I just want to make it more simpler or easier for you to convert. Since you've known that, or we've known that 1 kilogram is equals to 1,000 grams, you can, from this very point, you can easily break 3 kilograms down. Because having known that 1 kilogram is equals to 1,000 grams, if you break this into 1 kilogram, it would be easier for you. Alright? So when you break this into 1 kilogram, how many 1 kilograms are you going to have? You're going to have the first 1 kilogram plus the second 1 kilogram plus the third 1 kilogram. Have you seen? Now we have from 3 kilograms, we broke it or splitted it into 1 kilogram. So if you add this 1 kilogram plus 1 kilogram gives you 2 kilograms plus another 1 kilogram, make it 3 kilograms. We are coming back to 3 kilograms. So now from this point, now having known that 1 kilogram is equals to 1,000 grams, you can break this 1 kilograms into 1,000 grams. With this, it's going to be easier for you to convert. So now we are going to convert 1 kilogram to grams. So now we have here 1 kilogram is what? 1 kilogram is equals to 1,000 grams. That is the first one. Then the second one, this other 1 kilogram is what? 1,000 grams. And then the third one, 1 kilogram is what? 1,000 grams. Alright? So next we are going to add this 1,000 grams together. So 1,000 grams plus 1,000 grams is what? 2,000 grams. And then 2,000 grams plus this last 1,000 grams gives you what? 3,000 grams. So now we have 3 kilograms giving us how many grams? 3,000 grams. Alright? So there is another simpler method or way of converting from kilograms to grams or from grams to kilograms. Alright? So you agree with me that the answer for the first method is the same with that of the last or second method. So you could use either of these methods in solving or converting from kilograms to grams. Right, next we are going to look at example 2.
Start.
Alright, we have here example 2. Change 2.5 kilograms to grams. Change 2.5 kilograms to grams. Alright, this is how we are going to start. If, please, you always note this before solving any problem on this. You have to note this. Take into consideration the relationship between kilograms and grams because it will guide you in your conversion. Alright, so if 1 kilogram or 1 kg is equals to 1,000 grams, therefore 2.5 kilograms will be equals to what? So now, in order to solve this correctly, we have to split this 2 kilograms from the half kilograms to make it easier for us. Alright, you could say 2 kilograms plus a half kilograms. Alright, it's still the same thing because if you add this to this, you still have 2.5 kilograms. The reason why you have to break it or split it is for you to find it easier to convert. Alright, so now having splitted it, we are going to convert. First of all, we're going to convert 2 kilograms and then we convert a half kilogram before adding their answers together. So now you say 2 kilograms is equals to how many grams? First of all, remember I told you that when converting from kg or kilogram to grams, what do? You multiply by 1,000 because you're converting from a greater unit to a lesser unit. So now we're going to multiply 2 by 1,000 or 1,000 grams. Alright, so using our rough work, we have 1. So next we are going to convert 2 kilograms to grams and then half kilograms to grams. So now to convert, we have 2 times 1,000 grams here. That is for 2 kilograms. We have 2 times 1,000 grams. So we are going to multiply 1,000 or 2 by 1,000. So we have here 1,000 times 2. So now 2 times 0 is what? 0. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 0, 0. And 2 times 1 is what? 2. So what do we have? 1,000 times 2 is what? 2,000 grams. 2,000 grams. Plus, next we are going to convert a half kilogram to grams. So we have here a half times 1,000 grams. A half times 1,000 grams. So it's just the same thing as saying 1,000 grams divided by 2. Alright? So now, remember earlier I showed you how to divide. Maybe let me just show you once more. You have here 1,000 divided by 2. So starting from your extreme left. Remember that when you are adding or subtracting, you start from the right, alright? Then you solve towards the left, alright? But when you are dividing, you start from the left. From the left, that is the first digit, is what you start with. And the first digit here is what? 1. So you start your division from there. So we have here 1 divided by 2, which is not possible because 1 is less than 2. So now you add the next digit to the first one, making it what? 10. So now it's now 10 divided by 2. How many 2's do you have in 10? That is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So now 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 gives us 8 plus another 2 makes it 10. So now how many 2's do we have in 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 2's in 10. So 2 goes in there into 10 5 times and then into 0 0 times and into 0 0 times. We've done this earlier. Alright? And our answer was 500 grams, but I needed to do it for you to recall or remember how we did it. So we have there 2 kilograms giving us 2 kilograms giving us what, 2000 grams, plus a half kilogram giving us 500 grams. So now we are going to add 2000 grams to 500 grams. So we have 2000 grams plus 500 grams. So now 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 5 is 5, and 2 plus 0 is 2. So 2000 grams plus 500 grams gives us what? 2500 grams. So now our final answer is what? 2500 grams. That is from 2.5 kilograms. We have 2500 grams. That is our final answer. Alright, I hope you were following, and I believe you've learned not just one or two things. You've learned a lot of things from today's class. Alright, we are going to call it a day at this point, but I'm going to leave you with just few assignments. Please ensure you do my assignment, and before you do the assignment, make sure you copy the notes, copy the example into your exercise books, alright, and then read them or study them before doing the homework. Alright, here are the few assignments or questions I have for your assignment or homework. Convert the following to grams. Convert the following to grams. Number 1, 5 kilograms. Number 2, you have to convert 5 kilograms to grams. And then number 2, 4.5 kilograms to grams, and 8 kilograms to grams, and also 2.25 kilograms to grams. Alright, with this we come to the end of our class for today. Please ensure you stay safe and also remain good children I've always known. Until our next class, goodbye for now.